Morning guys, Jason and Nicole here. I've got Nicole in the back of the camera today.
Morning everybody.
We're actually on the Udderfarm today guys. What we're doing is that erosion video we brought out with the big gully erosion. We're actually going to fill that in today, so I've actually decided to put my work attire on today rather than me do all the talking that I normally do. This is more of a practical video, so in my work clothes, more comfortable. There's going to be a bit of sweat and dirt floating around. You might see it's a bit weird. We're going to have masks on too, because we found out when we first started putting the hay in the hole, there's a lot of dust from seed and dirt from the hay. A lot of it has rinsed out though, because we've had a fair bit of rain, so we're going to have our masks on anyway to alleviate the dust issue, because it was really congesting our throat at night time. So what we plan on doing guys is we'll set this up on the back of the ute, and you watch us. We got 6 bales left to go. We put 18 in, which makes it 24. So that'll bring it up to the height we require it, and then we'll let the rain settle down, and then when we get the excavator in a few months time to do some work, we'll get them to batter out those sides for us at 45 degrees. And like I said on the erosion video, we're going to put seeds down and mulch it and hay on top, so then it doesn't continue to erode anymore. So we'll leave it at that. We'll set you on the back of the ute and enjoy watching this sweat and get dirty for the next several hours. Righty guys. Alright guys, that's it. 24 bales of mulch have now gone into this gully erosion. So that'll definitely slow things down, guys. It'll stop that waterfall erosion because it won't be able to splash and chew out the banks. And it definitely stop the channel erosion. It's not going to be racing down there, taking the soil, taking the channels out. And then the banks thing obviously gets saturated and then they stove in. So it'll alleviate all that. We'll just keep an eye on it. We'll wait for big, heavy rain or multiple rains to come to dump on top, compact this down. And then we'll see if we need to add more bales of hay in any hollow areas. If we do, we'll add more. If we don't, the next step is bring in the excavator and he'll batter down the edges for us. We put some seed down and then cover that ground up with grass to keep that moisture in. And you might have seen this before, guys, when we pulled that partial bale out. What it was is where we had those other 8 bales of hay, there was bare dirt underneath. And one of the principles, as I keep saying, is probably one of the most important principles is armour the soil. So we went back and covered those soil because there was exposing the worms. There's a lot of worms there, so we want to cover that up, hold the moisture and stop drying the soil drying out. So that's what we did. So like I said, when I first started, standing where I was now, it would have been 3 meters, probably another 2.5 meters above my head would have been where the bank is. But where you guys are now watching this video on that camera, I'm probably 500 mil above ground level. So basically there's probably 2 meters of hay gone into this erosion. So to me it's added value. We're not going to lose that soil, which is then going to grow grass back. And if you want to see, guys, you want to see the first ever photos we took of this, go to our Facebook page, Udderfarm, Udderfarm on Facebook. So you'll see the original photos we took when we first got the property, how deep it was, and we'll put the latest one up there we finished today with me standing in the hole and the dogs lying there, and you'll see the big difference. If you like what you see, guys, hit that like button. And also, guys, this is our first work video, so you must apologise. I'm really dirty and dusty. I do apologise for my appearance, but this is what we do every day, like work, work, work. So if you like the work videos, leave it in the comments column and we can bring more work videos. So this is what it's all about. Not all about being clean and having the collars and doing how-to videos. We're out here working every day. So if you want to see more work videos, let us know and we'll take you around on the quad, and whatever we're doing for the day, we'll do a video. But righto guys, have a good morning, have a great afternoon, and have a terrific evening, guys, wherever you're watching this from, and we'll catch you later.